एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। अ फ्यू डेज़ बैक मैंने नायका से थोड़ी सी स्किन केयर के प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाए थे और उसका पैकेज आ गया है एंड अब हम उसकी अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो शूट करने जा रहे हैं। स्टे टिल द एंड। दिस इज़ द बिल। द फर्स्ट आइटम इज़ Tikka Eye Cream. It is bio seaweed revitalizing anti-fatigue eye gel, and so here is this, and now I'm going to show you its use. It smells so nice. It's just applied around the eyes to revitalize the dead cells. I already feel so fresh after applying this around the eyes. It's very good. The aroma is really nice. So next in the box is this eyeliner, which is from the Nykka brand itself, and Nykka Glamour Eyes it says, and I'll tell you the prices as well. I got this for 215 rupees. Here it is. It's gray in color. Actually I ordered blue one, but what they sent is gray. So it's really good color. I can show this to you. So it says that it is intense color, water resistant, smudge proof, and up to 10 hours stay. And the color is also amazing. So I think I'm not going to return it, even though I ordered blue color and they sent me gray. So never mind. So next in the box is my favorite skincare product, which is Plum Mist Spray. I have used it previously also, and earlier I used this grapeseed and sea buckthorn fragrance, and now I have ordered it in green tea. And let me tell you, this is a very good investment if you have a dry skin and you want something to freshen you up. So I'll just remove the light and instantly you can feel fresh. So I think for any other person like me who has a dry skin, you should invest in it. Plum Mist Spray, and it is in green tea. You can order in any fragrance that you like. And so that's it. I ordered these 3 things as of now, and the prices for that bio seaweed the eye cream, I got this for 134 rupees, and I have shared the price of the eyeliner with you. And this plum green tea mist spray is for 259 rupees. And so that's it for today's video. If you want more of such unboxing videos or the product reviews, please follow my page. And also a lot of interesting content is coming up on this page, so hit the subscribe button and like this video. Leave your reviews. I would love to hear from you. Thank you. Bye.